breaking news that's changing lives across America. You've probably heard the buzz. And it's true. Social Security payments are about to get a massive boost, and millions of Americans are going to see extra cash in their pockets. This is not just a little increase. It's a life-changing one. We're talking about an extra $2,900 that could be hitting bank accounts very soon. And the best part? This increase has been approved by none other than President Trump, who worked alongside Senator Bernie Sanders to make it happen. You're probably wondering how this all came about, and most importantly, how you can benefit. Stick with me, because I'm about to break it all down for you. Now, before we dive deep into the dates and details, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Hit the bell icon so you're the first to know about updates like this one. And if you're already feeling excited about the extra cash you could be getting, drop a yes in the comments. This is huge. So how did President Trump and Bernie Sanders, two politicians from different sides of the aisle, come together to make this possible? It's simple. Both of them recognize that America's seniors and those receiving Social Security benefits have been hit hard by inflation and rising costs. Social Security recipients have been left struggling to keep up with bills, healthcare costs, and day-to-day living. That's why these leaders teamed up to pass a groundbreaking reform that will not only provide financial relief immediately, but will also lay the groundwork for long-term improvements in Social Security. This isn't just a one-time fix either. Starting March 15th, 2025, millions of Americans will see a $700 increase in their regular Social Security payments. But that's not all. In addition to this monthly bump, the bill includes an emergency relief payment of $2,900, which will be distributed to everyone receiving Social Security benefits, including disability benefits, SSI, and even VA benefits. Yes, you heard that right. $2,900 in emergency relief to help you cope with rising costs. So if you're a Social Security recipient, you'll definitely want to make sure you're ready to receive this extra cash. But here's where it gets interesting. The payments will be sent out based on your birth date. So if you were born between the 1st and 10th, your payment will arrive on March 15th. If you're born between the 11th and 20th, it's set to come on March 22nd. For those of you born between the 21st and 31st, you'll get your payments on March 29th. That's not far off. So you'll need to mark your calendars and make sure you're ready. Now, what if you're facing financial hardship right now? Well, this bill has you covered too. If you're dealing with exceptional circumstances, such as high medical bills or other financial struggles, there's a special hardship assistance package for you. It will help with things like Medicare premiums and prescription drug costs, another way the government is trying to ease the burden on those who need it most. But here's a crucial point. You must update your information with the Social Security Administration, SSA, to ensure there's no delay in receiving your payments. It's important that your address, bank account info, and contact details are current. Believe it or not, around 40% of eligible recipients haven't updated their information, and that could mean missing out on this financial relief. So, if you haven't done so yet, make sure you update your details as soon as possible. It's quick and easy to do online or by phone. Along with these changes, Medicare premiums will also be adjusted so that they don't eat into your Social Security boost. This means the increase you're getting won't be canceled out by rising healthcare costs. In fact, many of you will likely see a net increase in your monthly benefits, making it easier to manage day-to-day expenses. But the reforms don't stop there. A major overhaul is coming to the way cost of living adjustments, COLAs, are calculated. Starting in 2025, the formula used to determine COLAs will be adjusted to reflect the actual costs seniors are facing, including higher prices for things like groceries and healthcare. This means bigger increases in the future to help keep pace with inflation. If you're on Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, this reform is also a game changer. The trial work period threshold has been raised, meaning you can now test the waters of returning to work without losing your benefits. This is a huge opportunity for people who want to make a transition back to the workforce, but need that security cushion as they do it. So what's next? First, make sure you've updated your information with the SSA and mark the dates on your calendar so you know when to expect your payment. Second, be aware of scammers who might try to take advantage of this. The SSA will never ask for payments or personal info over the phone. If you get a call like that, it's a scam.